Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeRush. Today we're going to be destroying kids' games with a Python Autoclicker. I'm going to use the same technique I used in my last video about the Python Zoom bot thing that I went over. But this time I'm going to be using some pixel detection, which is going to be pretty cool. And I'm going to try to destroy this game right here. It's on some website, I don't really know. And you definitely just don't click buttons. Nope. Yeah, so it's a very easy game, but I thought I'd give it a go for the first time. So, let's do it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the subscribe button and liking the video. It would mean a lot to me. It's optional, but it would mean a lot. And also, comment down below anything. Yeah, so now we got this terrible intro done. Let's get into the video. So the first thing I did was import all the libraries and all that stuff, pretty basic. And next I needed to take a screenshot of the entire screen so I could figure out what to look at exactly. Because if I had to scan every like fifth pixel in the entire screen, that would take a lot of time and processing power. So what I did was I shrunk it down to where the screen is, and there should be a red box on the screen where it is. And I pretty much took a screenshot and lined it up until it was right, and just brought it into Paint and all that good stuff, and it was working. Next, what I needed to do was create a for loop so that it looped through all the different pixels, and that allowed me to check each individual pixel to check if it was the right color. And I did that by taking a screenshot of the enemy, which I guess is a leaf in this game, so I don't really get it, but it was the easiest game I could find. And then I guess the enemy is a leaf, so we're just going to deal with it. So I took a screenshot of it, and I used the program that we use, like PyAutoGUI.display mouse position, and I got the RGB value. And then I just checked the RGB value of each individual pixel to check if the green value equaled the green value of the leaf. And that went actually quite well. So all I had to do now was click the position of that pixel, and that did not go so good. No, it went terribly. Yeah, so here's what happened. My mouse got possessed. Yep, and it was open all different tabs, and it completely destroyed my computer. So what I actually had to do was shut down the entire computer, which, yeah, that wasn't great. So I had to implement a failsafe that also didn't work for some reason, and I had to shut it off again. Oh my gosh. Yep. So that wasn't great per se. So once I finished that, I improved it slightly. I still have to really hardly hit the Q key to make it shut off, but it does, so that's very good news. So all I have to do now is improve the speed, because right now it takes a few hits for the mouse to actually kill one of the enemies, and that's not good enough for this channel, of course not. So what we need to do is increase the amount of clicks per second. So I just added some more click functions. Yeah, it's that simple, and it worked, which is great. So at this point, this is what the game looks like. Now this game has a lot of different types of enemies, so what I need to do is take a screenshot of the enemies and then find the G value of them, and then have an OR statement, like add an OR to the if statement. That allows me to check if it's this one or that one, then press it no matter what. This was really easy to implement, but I think it may have slowed down performance. I'm not actually sure because, well, I just can't really tell that, but I think it might be going a little bit slower, which isn't great. But it is doing fine right now, and here is the final version. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's pretty much just an explanation of how all this works. If you want me to do another tutorial on how to create something similar to this, on how to use this kind of detection, please leave a comment and like the video. It's optional, but it would really help me out. Also, I want to say that there is a video by CodeBullet about a very similar project. He did it on Storm the House, which was a very good video. I suggest you watch that. There will be a link to it in the description below. And with that, yeah, let's end the video there. Goodbye.